We are first timers hosting Thanksgiving at our home this year, and we also have family coming to stay with us from out of town. So we wanted to make sure that we stocked up on all of the cooking and baking essentials for this season. We also have a ton of new items that we've never gotten before, but we're really excited to show you and talk about them. Let me show you what we got. You can't host a holiday without cream of mushroom soup for the green bean casserole. So we wanted to make sure that we had plenty on hand, and so we stocked up on that. Azure Standard's organic carrots and celery are a really good deal, and they always look great when they get shipped to us. I'm probably gonna start adding these to every order with the colder season coming up, just to have them on hand all the time to add to soups. Wanted to make sure we had plenty of olive oil on hand, so we grabbed another one of the 32-ounce bottles. These organic diced green chilies are really good too, just to throw into any sort of Mexican dish, cheese dip that you're making. They were on sale, so I made sure to pick these up. I have always seen this crock pot recipe out there for a Mississippi pot roast, and for that you need pepperoncinis. I've never made it before, but I thought it would be a really good one to have when family's here, that I could just set up in the crock pot, leave it, and not have to think about it again until it's time to eat. This is a brand new item that I found on Azure's website. It is an orange stir-fry Asian sauce. Who doesn't love orange chicken? And I really wanted to get some things this order too, to just be able to make some quick, easy, fast meals to feed a bunch of people all at once. Also picked up some organic rice vinegar. It was out last month, so I made sure to go ahead and add it to our cart for this month's order, and it was in and it came, and I'm excited that it's here. I went ahead and grabbed another 10-pack of the Rumiano butter. Being the holidays, of course, with baking season and everything, you always want to make sure that you have plenty of butter. You don't want to be ready to start your cookies and be completely out. Along with the butter, we also picked up another block of our favorite cheese to have on hand. Don't want to run out of cheese during the holidays. A new item for us is some collagen peptides. I've read a bit about collagen and I'm learning more about it, and really want to find a way to add more protein to our smoothies. I've heard you could put it in your coffee. Let me know down below if you use collagen and how you like to use it. I was finally able to pick up a 1-pound package of cornstarch for baking and other pantry needs too. Along with the baking, you can never have enough parchment paper. This one was on sale, so I made sure to scoop him up. Another new item that we got from Azure Standard is some chopped frozen celery. I wasn't too sure about this. I had seen it and Ben added it to the cart, and I wasn't sure what the texture would be like, but I assumed for soups it would be really good. We will let you know what we think of it. I'm hoping that it works out well and I can just have some frozen diced celery ready to go whenever I need it. Another staple for our family, and I wanted to make sure we had plenty on hand, is Jovial's gluten-free elbow pasta. Our kids love having this for macaroni. We make homemade hamburger helper with this a lot. It's just a nice, easy, quick thing to have on hand for a fast meal. Along with the elbows, I also have been looking at other pastas and wanting to branch out from just the elbows and try some other new kinds. Ditalini pasta, I might be saying that wrong, but we've got little ones, so anything that's smaller that I don't have to chop up or worry about them struggling to eat is a big plus for us, so we'll see how we like this guy. Along with our holiday stock up, a staple for us because we make a lot of quesadillas is Stacy's Organic Flour Tortillas. You can get them in a 3-pack and it's a really good deal, so we made sure to pick up 2 of those, so we got 6 of these total this order. So with the holidays, we wanted to make sure that we had every single baking supply that we needed before Thanksgiving Day and all the extra family came in. So we have 2 bags of the all-purpose unbleached organic flour. A new item that we got this time from Azure is maple sugar. I have wanted to try maple sugar. I have heard wonderful things about it. I am very excited. I have a sugar cookie recipe that specifically calls for it that I can't wait to try. What is your favorite holiday item to bake? If you have a good recipe, leave that down below in your comment. Another new item for baking that we're going to try this year are Cara baking chips. The reviews seemed pretty good on them. Hopefully they'll be close to chocolate chips or something like that. We will let you know what we think. These we have had before. They are apple juice infused dried cranberries. They blow raisins out of the water. They are delicious. They're really good to add into cookies, into oatmeal, or just even to eat plain out of the bag. Our family loves them. I was very excited when I found this gigantic bag of organic brown rice Krispies. I'm going to make marshmallows from scratch, and with these guys, we are going to have homemade, all from scratch Rice Krispie treats for the holidays. If you've seen our hauls before, you know that our family loves the wild blueberry granola. It is very good. This time we actually got 2 bags because the 3-year-old asked for it daily, so we go through it way faster than we used to with just 1 bag. And to spice it up, another new item that we are trying this time is the cherry vanilla granola. Cherries are my favorite fruit, so I think that I might even like this one better than the first one. With holidays being so busy and unexpected things always happening, I know that I may not always be able to bake the cookies that I want or make something from scratch that I want, so we wanted to stock up and have a couple extra crackers on hand. These Jovial Everything crackers are wonderful on their own and even better with a little slice of cheese. We got some organic brown rice crackers to try out with that cheese as well. And then just in case I don't get any of these delicious holiday cookies made in time when I need to, the Jovial Einkorn Crispy Cocoa cookies are delicious. They're light, it's hard not to bust through a whole box at once, but pace yourself and make sure that you share them with your family and friends. Another new item that we got are some uncured beef hot dogs. These were a really good price. We have a toddler and we have 2 toddlers now. We have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and they love hot dogs. With spending the extra money and getting a good quality hot dog, I know that they're getting actual nutrition and not just a whole bunch of fillers and other stuff. One of my favorite teas for whenever I get sick is the organic throat coat. So we picked up a 3-pack of these. We also picked up some Mountain Rose herb teas. Ben specifically wanted to get some new loose leaf teas, so we are going to try the lemon tea, Earl Grey, and some English breakfast tea. We ordered an infuser from Azure too. We have some but wanted an extra one, and that didn't end up shipping. So we've already added that to our next order just to make sure we have plenty of infusers available for all of our teas. I talked about this in our previous haul. The Ben soap, this unscented, is just a really great basic soap to have. With having family and everybody over for Thanksgiving, I wanted to make sure all the bathrooms had plenty of soap for everybody to wash with. My personal favorite leave-in conditioner is this Kettle Care Organics brand. It has a really nice scent. It's light, it doesn't weigh down your hair. It also works as a detangler too. It's just a really good, clean hair care product. We picked up some more of the Azure dishwashing powder. With all the cooking and baking we're going to be doing, definitely we want to have enough of this on hand. This is a wonderful dishwashing powder. The ingredients are so clean, it is septic safe. You don't have to use a lot at all for a very full dishwasher load. We've been using it for a couple months now, and it is our favorite one to use. The grand total for this order is $521.30. With all of the upcoming holidays, make sure that you check out our Azure Holiday Essentials video for even more ideas. Thank you for watching, and remember to live free and find your purpose.